In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Blogger. Whether you're looking to share your thoughts, start a new project, or just have a fun space to express yourself, Blogger provides a straightforward platform to get your blog up and running in no time. To begin this journey into the world of blogging, you'll need to head over to your web browser and visit the Blogger website at www.blogger.com. Once there, sign in using your Google account credentials. If you're planning on creating a blog, chances are you already have a Google account, but if not, take a moment to set one up. It's a quick process that will open up a world of Google services to you. Now, if it's your first time using Blogger, you'll be prompted to complete your profile setup. This step is essential as it gives your future readers some context about who you are. Provide as much or as little information as you're comfortable with, keeping in mind that this will be your public profile. With your profile set up, it's time to dive into the heart of your blog creation. On the Blogger dashboard, you'll see an option to create a new blog. Select this to begin the exciting task of designing your online space. Here, you need to enter a blog title, which is the name visitors will see when they land on your page. Think of something catchy and reflective of the content you plan to share. Next, you'll choose a blog address, the URL where your blog will reside. You could go with something like yourblogName.blogspot.com. Type in your desired address, and Blogger will notify you if it's available. If it is, click Next to proceed. It's now time to choose a display name. This is the name that will appear as the author of your posts. Think about how you want to be presented to your audience. Once you've settled on a display name, click Finish to move forward. The aesthetic of your blog plays a significant role in attracting and keeping readers. So next, you'll want to select a theme. In the Blogger dashboard, you'll find a Theme tab. Click on that to browse through the available themes. Pick one that resonates with you and the vibe you want your blog to emit. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect at this stage because Blogger allows you to customize colors, fonts, and layouts later. Once you've made your choice, click Apply to set your theme. Finally, it's time to create your first post. Click on the New Post button to start. Here you'll add a compelling title and delve into writing your content. This could be an introduction to your blog, a short story, or anything you wish to share. You can also spice up your posts by inserting images or videos and adding labels if you want to organize your posts neatly. Once you're satisfied with your post, click Publish, and there you have it, your first blog entry. Congratulations on creating your blog. Keep exploring the ins and outs of Blogger, and you'll find many more features to enhance your blogging experience. Happy blogging!